That's true, brother.
Why, if you know, you know. If you don't know Brushy Gate, this is what we are talking about. Great Gully comes straight down to Brushy Gate. The two I'm afraid and the water can't me already, me now go no further. But this not safe. This is the main road. The main road this. What you mean, Kim?